Yoshkarola, very beautiful city. When we came here, snow covered all the city, but now it's look like very beautiful.
So not only a medical student, every student after having the hard part of the study, they need some time to relax and chill everything. Like we have malls, like Yolka Mall, Planeta, we used to go mall in Sundays.
I personally love this city because of the most beautiful buildings and places there. We have people from 11 different countries, so it is very different experience to share our culture.
As a whole, I feel more safe and comfortable here in the university. From hostel to university, we are provided 24/7 security. We have Face ID, card entry in hostel as well as in university.
We had Diwali celebrations, Navratri celebrations, Holi celebrations, and we got the opportunity to participate in Arabian Nights, which was held behalf of their country.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalia and I'm a representative of the Dean's Office of the Medical Institute of Murray State University. Today we're going to have a special live session with our first year students for Rus Education channel. Today we're going to have some insights on the life of our first year students and their first year experience of our university.
Hello everyone, I'm Roshni from India, Karnataka.
Hello everyone, this is Praveen Kumar Selvan from the Tamil Nadu, India.
Hello everyone, this is Richa Tiwari from Jharkhand, India.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashwati. I am from UP, India.
Hello everyone, myself Yogesh. I am from Haryana, India.
Hello everyone, myself Smriti Shivanna. I'm from Karnataka, India.
Hello everyone, myself Mahesh Shimple from Maharashtra, India.
Hello everyone, myself Zadu Sali George from Shirdi, Maharashtra, India.
Okay, I'm sure everyone is very interested to know where students got to know about our university. So, where did you learn about Murray State University and why did you choose to study here?
First of all, I get to know about Murray State University, one of my school senior who is passed out from this university. She was passed out from the same Murray State University and she get to know about this university. After that, I asked how to start my process of the admission. Then she told of the Rus Education. From the Rus Education, I get to know more information about the Murray State University from the day 1 to till now, how they handling, how they dealing with things like a kid. They just dealing from the day 1, from the visa process, admission, tickets, green card, everything until today. I'm about to end my first year till they guiding me like a kid. So not only a medical student, every student after having the hard part of the study, they need some time to relax and chill everything. Yashkarola is not only there is some places, not only a particular place. Every place we have the memories, every place we find some happiness, stress busters, like we have malls. Obviously youngsters used to roam more with malls like Yolka Mall, and we have the Planeta, we used to go mall in Sundays. Everything apart, if my class gets over early, like 5 o'clock, I used to go by walk. In the especially spring season brings more relaxed kind of hearing the Arjit Singh songs. It's my kind of stress buster and every place in Yashkarola is my happy places.
I personally love this city because of the most beautiful buildings and places there. And there are many the riverside, which is very peaceful, and my friends go to fishing and I join there, hang out and have a nice time. At the very beginning, as every medical student come from different countries, we weren't habituated for this type of climate, peoples and languages. We weren't quite uncomfortable of these situations, and we came to know about the Dean's office and seniors and Rohit sir, who helped us getting comfortable with this.
Okay, I'm sure that there are a lot of challenges which students face when they just come to our university from different countries. And what are the challenges have you faced when you just came to our university, to our country, and who helped you to get the faster adaptation at our university?
So the most important adaptation I have to make was regarding the harsh winter conditions in Russia. We have to survive in this very freezing temperature, so we need to cover ourselves with warm clothes and everything. Other adaptation was like I have to make with the food. So in India we have habit of eating like spicy foods and all. So when you come to Russia, you have to adapt with this food. But also we have mess facilities in our hostel, so there is no any worries.
Our university provides us many facilities, both academics and extracurricular activities. For example, we have many access to many libraries and
we have many study materials to refer to, and we have access to gym, cafeteria, canteens, and in extracurricular activities we have many cultural events going on.
I live in Solovyova hostel. It feels like home. We are guarded by our CCTV cameras. We have our hostel mama who takes care of us. हमारे पास काफ़ी बड़ा ग्राउंड है. हम 4 सीटर और 6 सीटर ऑक्यूपेंसी के रूम्स में रहते हैं. हमारी हाइजीन का पूरा ख्याल रखा जाता है. हमारे पास एक प्रॉपर बाथरूम और टॉयलेट्स वगैरह हैं. रोज़ उसकी सफाई होती है.
We have the big river over there. We have the bridges over there, and we have many churches. And the environment is like very peace, calm.
One of my favorite places is just sitting beside the riverside and just relaxing.
One of my favorites is the riverside. It's so peaceful there. Just for evening walks and all, it just feels so peaceful over there.
Yoshkarola, very beautiful city. When we came here, the snow covered all the city, but now it's look like very beautiful.
Central Park is a place where me and my friends go during weekends or free time, and we go and chill there.
जब मैं पहली बार हमारी स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी में आया, मैं पहली बार क्लास में गया तो हमें पता चला कि हमारी क्लासेस बहुत ज़्यादा होने वाली हैं, क्योंकि हम मेडिकल फील्ड में पढ़ रहे हैं तो क्लासेस ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा होने वाली थी. और स्टार्टिंग में बहुत हार्ड था अपने स्केड्यूल को मैनेज करना, बट अभी क्लासेस थोड़ी कम लग रही हैं तो बहुत इजी हो गया है पढ़ने के लिए भी.
My university have many departments. Like we have sports department, we have cultural department, we have academic department, and we have the management department. So recently we had fest, and if you see what was my experience in the fest, that the lighting, the cameras, the everything, even the mic quality and everything, and even the time management was awesome.
We have friends from many different countries, especially my group. We have people from 11 different countries, so it is very different experience to share our culture with them, and also we get to know more things about their countries as well.
As a girl, I feel more safe and comfortable here in the university. From hostel to university, we are provided 24/7 security.
I just want to conclude that if you want to pursue your career in your medical studies, then Mari State University should be your first choice.
So if you are coming to pursue MBBS in Russia, to Mari State University, Yoshkarola is the best option you can go for.
மெடிசன் படிக்க முடிவு பண்ணியாச்சு. அது எங்கே வேணால் படிக்காண்டே கிடையாது. ஒரு சில விஷயத்தை ஒரு சில இடத்துல பண்ணால் மட்டும் தான் நல்லா பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ என்ன கேட்க போனால் மாரி ஸ்டேட் யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஒன் ஆஃப் பெஸ்ட் பார்ட் இன் மெடிக்கல் லைஃப். அது நான் சொல்கிறத விட better have to come here and experience that, then you get to know about that.
I advise my juniors to choose Mari State Universities over other universities as it has good infrastructure and both medical faculties and facilities.
तुम्ही हे लक्षात ठेवा की तुम्ही स्टडी करण्यासाठी इकडे येणार आहात. सो प्लीज या आणि इकडची ब्युटी तुम्ही एकदा एक्सपिरियन्स करा. खूप छान आहे.
तुम्हाला जर खरंच जर डॉक्टर बनायचं आहे आणि खरंच जर तुम्हाला तुमचे स्वप्न पूर्ण करायचे आहे तर तुम्ही नक्कीच मारी स्टेट युनिव्हर्सिटीला चूज करू शकता, कारण इथे बेस्ट एज्युकेशन तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड केले जाईल.
ನಾನು ಮಾರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನದ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.